The Universe cards, number 28. Distant Galaxies. Keyword: intuition. Interpretation. The gravitational lens effect means that we are able to perceive galaxies that we would not normally be able to see because of their immense distance from us. We gain knowledge of something that would normally be out of reach. In everyday life, most of us have had an experience of just knowing something that we really should not have known. For example, when the phone rings, we may intuitively know who it is on the other end. At the other end of the scale, some people claim to have foreknowledge or precognition of important or disastrous events. It has been suggested that human beings have some kind of sixth sense which enables us to perceive things beyond our normal abilities. The Distant Galaxies card, number 28, embodies this idea of being able to perceive what is beyond our normal capacity to know. Although such phenomena as ESP, telepathy or precognition are notoriously difficult to prove within the mainstream of the scientific method, most of us have some kind of personal experience of the unexplicable. All too often, however, these experiences come unbidden, and the abilities that produce them seem out of our conscious control. If you draw the Distant Galaxies card, you are being asked to develop your sixth sense or intuition in some way. How do you feel about your intuition? Do you respect your hunches or gut feelings or premonitions, or do you try to explain them away with logic? The Distant Galaxies card is asking you to look at your attitude towards your own intuition. If you have not valued this ability in yourself, you may need to develop a more nurturing and respectful attitude.